Hello students, in this presentation I am going to tell you how to map Java Virtual Machine installed in your system to the execution environment. There are two possible ways to map JVM with execution. The one is setting environment variable. That is going to be the permanent. If you once set the environment variable, that will be there forever until you are going to delete. The another method is using a setPath command in a command prompt. But when you set a path using this particular option, that will be vanished when you are closing the command prompt. So whenever you are opening the command prompt, you have to make use of this setPath to map the JVM to the command prompt. First, we see how to set environment variable.
First, you copy the Java path, that is the JVM installed location. Usually that will be in a C colon. The program files, you will find the folder called Java. Within that, you can find a folder called JDK. Go into that, open a bin folder. So you copy the entire path. In the address bar, just click that. It will be highlighting the entire path of the JVM location. So just copy that with the help of Control C or right click and copy. Then go into the control panel. Within a control panel, you have to go to system option. There you will be finding advanced system setting. There you go for environment variables. So there is a command called variable name called path. Just it will be set for some other software. Just give a new. You select the variable what you want to change. You go to that path variable and give edit. So it will be there. Already many path might be set based on the software installed in your system. Along with that, you paste you you give new, the new empty box will be open. There you paste the path you copied for a JVM, just that, just control V. Then give OK. It will set the variable. So this is the one method of setting it. So just to check it, go into command prompt. Just you give javac command. So all that commands will be mapping. So it is mean that the JVM is set for the working environment. This is the one method which uses the environment variable.
Next, let us see how to use setpath command in command prompt to map JVM with your working environment.
Copy the path of Java bin folder. You could have seen the previous presentation that you're going into the bin location that is always there in C colon program file, Java folder, JDK folder. Then within that there is a bin. You just copy that. Then go into the command prompt. Just type CMD in search option. It will show the open option for the command prompt. Just open that. Then go into the path where you have saved your files. So in my option, in my case, I have loaded my program in a D drive within my folder Gokila. So change directory Gokila, CD space Gokila. Within that, I have created another folder called Java program. So CD Java program. So there only, in this path only I am having my Java program to be executed. Now I want to map this location to the JVM installed location. For that, use the command called set space path equal to percentage path percentage then semicolon. This is to have the previous existing path. Along with that, you have to concatenate the path of the JVM. So we already copied the path of the bin folder. Just paste that. In order to paste that, just right click on the title bar, go into edit, you will be having a paste option. Give that and put a semicolon. Just give an enter. So now if everything is perfect, the next prompt will appear. So it is appearing perfectly. So to check that whether the mapping has been done properly, just give javac command. Yes, it is properly mapped. So it is running properly. So this is the another way of mapping JVM with your working environment. Thank you.